start.
Go.
It's on? Okay.
Yeah.
Earlier today, threw a rock at a bird. I broke its left wing. I felt pretty bad. Stop. And I was chasing it. And the same bird just came in. Now, it won't go away, so I'm going to unleash the dogs.
Shh. We gotta show him the bird.
Show him the bird.
See it, Lopez?
Get the bird. Get the bird.
See it right there?
She's scared of the bird.
Did you see the birdie?
Maggie's scared of the bird.
Throw a wiffle ball at her or something.
I need to take the dog back in. Don't throw it yet. I don't know what you said.
I'm not gonna throw it. I'm not gonna throw it. I can't do that to a bird. What? Can't do this to a bird.
I'm going to.
I'm going. Okay, dude.
See the little birdie?
Dude, no.
It didn't move.
Don't, dude. You can't even see it.
Ah! It didn't even move. I'm gonna hit it with a basketball.
Stop, dude. No.
Oh, it's flying. Get out! It's behind the cornhole.
Hey, little buddy. There he is. He's with you.
I don't want to kill it. I just want to get it out. Yeah, there it is.
It's a little curious, eh?
The bird won't go.
Whose camera's that?
Mine.
Look at the bird. It won't leave. I tried everything.
You did.
I tried throwing a basketball at it. I tried screaming at it. It won't go.
You gotta get it out of here.
Alright, I got it.
How about just... Don't do that. Don't terrify it.
I need to get it to leave. Oh, it hurts. Get some bread. Get some bread.
I'm getting any bread.
Bread. Keep filming. I'm gonna go get bread.
I'll film.
Alright, film it on Dad's bike tire, and I will be back.
Hey, little buddy. Hey, oh, he squeaked at me.
I got the key. Getting the bird out.
You got it.
Hair right. We're gonna put this on YouTube. See the bread, birdie? See the bread?
No, that's Justin. Just leave it alone.
Bird.
Don't come out on his own.
You know, oh my.
Oh, did you see that? Dude, he's on the saw.
This bird really must be stupid.
Time to go drastic measures.
He's got a fire. Just hit the wall right below it. There he goes.
Victory! Oh. Okay, cut.
And that is how to get a bird out of a garage.